Good morning, everyone. This is our last full day here in Bali. Just currently gonna check out here in Canggu. Yeah, it's been a good holiday. We've enjoyed our time here in Bali. Everything always has to come to an end, but this will be our last full day here in Bali before we leave tomorrow night. So we're on our way to Kuta from Canggu. It's only 14 kilometers, meaning it can take us 15 to 20 minutes. But since we were stuck in traffic and it was peak time, it took us nearly an hour just to get to Kuta from Canggu.
So the craziest thing happened to Blessing and I. We checked into our hotel, the Holiday Inn, and as we were leaving, we met this guy. His name was Remy, and he was promoting the company he worked for, which is Karma Group. We looked it up and saw that it's a luxury brand that has resorts all over the world, and they were doing this promotion where they give couples 2 gift vouchers. So I got a $30 spa voucher, and then Blessing got a voucher with big prizes. So the only catch was we had to go sit through a 1-hour presentation at their headquarters, which is their main resort in Bali. So we decided to take a chance and go and check it out, and we managed to score ourselves a really good holiday.
Where is this? Do you know Uluwatu? Oh yeah. What's your name once again? Abigail. Abigail. Oh yeah. Yeah. Outside country, Indonesia there, yeah? Yeah. Yes. This is in Timbaran. Uluwatu, you know Uluwatu? Yeah, yes. I know Uluwatu. Because my friend, for next holiday we have anniversary too, yeah? That's why we need to recommend to
Oh yeah.
Just scan here, my friend.
Yeah, I'll scan there.
Here.
And then the next time we come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you can book in Agoda or Traveloka. Okay.
Oh, so you're here to promote this?
Yeah, for next holiday, buddy.
Oh,
yeah. Because
nice.
right now we have some gift. This is to appraise your time.
Okay.
Because of the coffee,
All right.
It costs more than 2 years. Yes. Yes. Not bad. Some people they just get t-shirt, just get hat and glasses. But this one, look at this one. This is like a voucher. Yeah, you not your money. Sorry, my English is bad. Yeah.
No, your English is good.
Miss Abigail, yeah. For this one, this is for the 300,000 rupee. Yeah. 300,000 rupee. You can use in shopping voucher. Do you know Sogo? Do you know this cafe mall? Because you've been to Bali, yeah. Yeah. Tired? Yeah. You can use massage today. Okay. Not here, my friend. in front of the big shopping, yeah. Okay. Dining spa and pure spa. Okay.
What do I win? Did I win anything or what? Congratulations, you're a winner.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You have to shake my hand.
Shake, look here we go, look.
Why? Yeah, excuse me, this is a genuine price. I'm telling you, look at this one. Yeah, look at this one. This is what I'm looking for. For a month, only 3 people who like this.
Oh, really?
4 people just get t-shirt or glasses like this. It's normal, yeah? But look at this one, my friend. Mr. Rugby. If you get A right now, you get iPhone, yeah. So if you get iPhone, this is the color right now. Please, you make video in our place. So when you back in place somewhere please show your friend. Your friend. Yeah. This help us to recommend. Benefit us, yes. And excuse me, Mr. Rugby. If you get number B right now, so you get certificate holiday under both your name. So start for the next holiday. If you come with your girlfriend, please don't book anymore for the hotel.
Right.
One with accommodation, but I'm sorry, Mr. Rugby, not include your flight ticket and food. Only one with accommodation, but valid for 1 year. Yes. And excuse me, Mr. Rugby, if you get number C, you get iPad right now. Yes. And excuse me, if you get number D, you're gonna be a boss, not him. Because women already boss. Sorry, Mr. Rafi, because if you get million, women big shopping today.
So basically, I don't know if this is a scam or not, but
Exhibition Center.
they're telling us to go into this car, but Lord, I pray in the mighty name of Jesus that this is not a scam. Because this guy, we just met him on the road and he's saying, what do you reckon, guys? Should I take it or not? Sounds a bit fishy, but oh well, we'll wait and see. Alright, so we are actually going to go through with this, and they've got us a taxi to go. Remy, say hi.
Hi. Yeah. Very good. Remember, when you arrive there, please just say thank you to the driver. Yeah. Okay. You know the place. Yeah. Okay. Because the driver, the company will pay. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to pay the taxi. Yeah. Okay. Remember 6 minutes, and the driver will get this one, and sampai di sana ntar kasih pas sudah turun, kasih lagi sama dia ya pas masuknya. When you arrive there, the driver will give you back to go
Lord,
in
I pray for your protection.
So enjoy your day. Yeah. Enjoy. And remember, if you like Balinese coffee there.
We were literally going to go shopping, and then Remy comes out of nowhere. I was just literally giving him all these lies, saying that I'm Jerry 2Y and this and that. I thought it was just another scam, but here we are. So they're basically promoting the hotel, right?
Yeah, the company.
The company's promoting the hotel, and to win the prize, you have to, it's your time.
Yeah.
So you have to go there, and now Remy's telling me that I'm underage. So yeah, well, I don't know, because even till now I'm still questioning this right now. Oh, we are here. We're here at Karma Group, and looks like we're doing it. Alright, here goes. I'm like struggling to even open it. Oh, you're Alright, we're here at the Kuta Lifestyle Resort, basically like a plaza mall, because Abigail doesn't like to negotiate with prices, so we're gonna come to the stores that have fixed price. This one is opposite the beach. Traffic is crazy. Oh, I think you have to pay to go in even too. Oh. Hello. Thank you. If only they did that at all plazas. Hey. Are we going the right way? Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Hi everyone, we're here at Holiday Inn in Kuta. We're just enjoying our last few hours here in Bali. We had a really good time. It was beautiful and we enjoyed ourselves. And now we're gonna go back to reality. And we'll see you guys in our next vacation vlog.
Setting sun in my heart, you're the one. I know one day you will come for me. I will comfort you, we'll grow old forever, together in love, to settle in the calm.
Hey guys, we are now checking out our hotel and making our way to the airport. Thank you, Bali. Thank you for everything you've done. We've had so much fun and I'm ready to go home, ready to go see my family and also the house that the Lord has made. Alright guys, we are here at our gate. We'll be departing at 9 o'clock. Thank you everyone for watching our videos and our vlogs. We appreciate every single one of you guys, and just excited to go back home. Thank you again. God bless.